Hi everyone, I'm back with another video of book unboxing, and you can see this is a Flipkart box नए इंडिया के साथ. So I ordered a book last night and the service of Flipkart is amazing. The book is here right now. I know you are curious to know what's there in the book, right? And I'm going to unbox the Flipkart parcel. So here it is. I'm going to unbox it, and it's a very beautiful book, and let me open it. Yes, so here is the bill, and you can't see because the digit is not clear, so you can't see how much it cost me, but I'm telling you it cost me 133 rupees excluding the delivery charge, because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer. And here is the book by Durjoy Datta. Wish I could tell you. And let me tear the page, not page, but it's a thin paper. No bookmark with the book, unlucky. Anyway, so Penguin book, so the quality is amazing, of course. Okay, so the quality is amazing, as I said, amazing quality, no doubt. Great book, and the price is here 199, but it cost me 133. Let me read you the blurb. The blurb is a delusioned and heartbroken Anusha finds herself in a small world of WeDonate.com, struggling to cope with her feelings and the job of raising money for charity. She reluctantly researches for a worthwhile cause to support. So, and the blurb is quite extensive. I'm not reading it to you fully. And the last page of the book is 246. I hope it's going to be a great read. This book is for my sister. Penguin Metro read. As always, the quality is amazing. Here is the author, Durjoy Datta. So that's it for now. Take care and bye.